Welcome back, crafts and critters, to another craft with me video. We're still working on our birdcage series, so I have 3 more pictures left. We're going to do 2 more in this video. Actually, we might do all 3 of these. If so, then this is going to cut the series short, which is fine. So first thing to note is when I was cutting this, or hole punching it, I punched on the wrong side. I had these 2 together because orange was supposed to go after the brown. So I had to flip it. So we're going to have to find something when we're working on this page to cover my mess up. Easy enough, so we will work on that. So, pictures. We are into his final days, and I took 3 pictures on his final days, so these ones he's going to look very sick in, but I definitely wanted to remember that. I didn't have a whole lot of pictures of him, so I wanted to take some more on his final days with us. And actually, I think I have 4 more left, so I think we are going to extend out the series for 1 more, because I know there's another one over here. It's buried somewhere, but it is buried. I definitely have 1 more picture, so we're going to work on these 3, and I was thinking of these 2 were so small, of kind of overlapping this one like this, and then kind of doing some decorative vine work that we could kind of continue on to the next page that would cover this up. So I think that's what I'm going to do. So the first thing is we're going to attach this photo to here with some mounting tape. So I'm going to grab a couple of mounting tape here. And the sneezer in my background is our kitty Vala, who always has some kind of allergy issues. Hey, baby girl. Vala has not paid an appearance in a lot of our videos. Mostly you see Athena. Come here. Come here. She's not. She's doing her own thing over here. Vala. Hi, baby girl. You want to come say hi? You want to come say hi? No? Alright. So then let's go ahead and let's mount this down. I'm not going to do anything really fancy with this page, like I've done in my previous videos. I think I'm kind of all scrapbook fancy paged out. So I think we're just going to do some simple decorating with this video, which is fine. You can do whatever you want with your scrapbooks, but sometimes it just comes down to, yeah, there's nothing wrong with slapping some pictures down and some pretty details, and you're done. So that's what we're going to do. I did do a lot of trimming on these pages, so there's definitely that, especially this bottom one. Alright, so there's that, and then let's go ahead and I'm going to grab the vine here. I'm going to use this vine up on these last 2 pages. So I think I'm going to Vala, are you kind of being destructive over there? I think she might be. I'm going to cut this in half. I'm going to use half of it on this page and half of it on this one. So we're going to start with, I think, down here. And I'm going to be tacking this down with a glue gun, so why not? It'll stay. And this is Fabric Petals. if you saw my very first video, I used this on the cover. So we're just going to use the rest of it for this page here. And we're just tacking that corner down really good, and we're not going to, because I like it to flow. I like it to have some flow. It can go off page. It's okay. So we're just going to come up, and I'm going to tack one down here. And when we go to add some flowers too, it'll get tacked down even more. So, and then we're just gonna kind of fill in this page, this space here, I think. Let's do a little, let's come down and do a little right there. There. Let's get this to lay a little flatter down here. Do one right here, because then it's going to make it look like it's going on to the next page, and then I'm just going to clip it. Alright, so now we're going to come back, and we're going to, wherever we like it to lay a little bit flatter, we're going to add a little piece of glue, or a little spot of glue. Going to add in some flowers, and I'm going to go with I've got the gray and the orange ones that we've used previous. I don't have too many of the orange. I've got the few orange left. There's another one, and I think I got one more orange. And I've got some yellows left. I got some yellows. We can use the yellows too, and the grays. Just pulling the yellows and the grays, or yellows and the oranges right now. See how many I have left. Actually, I got quite a few. Alright. Alright, that's it. Alright, so we're going to use, I think on this page, maybe one yellow, or two yellow, one orange, and we're going to use some of the grays, some of the sparkly grays, I think. And I like these little burlap flowers. I loved them. They were great. There's a small, we'll do some non-sparkly ones too then, just for different size. Well, here's a small sparkly. Alright, let's start putting these down. Three colored ones down first. We are putting them along the vine because why not? Honestly, that's good. I'm good with that. Alright. I just have to get all of the spider webbing off from the glue gun. Right. So there's our page. And I don't know if I have anything else that I could add to this. Just kind of going through some stickers and whatnot and seeing what I have. No, I'm happy with this. Could add some pearls. Nah, pretty good. Alright, so that page is done. So we're going to go on to this one now. Again, I'm not going to do anything fancy. I think I am going to round out this top a little bit right here. Just like that. Yeah, it looks a little bit better. Yeah, that'll make room for the lining a little bit. Alright, so we're going to put this sticker down, or we're going to put this in place here. Again, because I'm doing all the lining on this page, I really don't feel the need to go all fancy scrapbook pagey on this one, on these two pages, so we're just kind of going to go as it is. Grab our vine, and the first thing we're going to do is cover up these missteps of these holes. So let's start with the leaf. Another page out. So I want to line up like the continuation of the vining. Tiny little piece of that vining left. All right. It's stuck. All right, so we're gonna go with just one yellow flower on this page, and probably just one orange, because there's not a whole lot of room on this page, so I don't want to overdo it. And then do that there, and we'll do a gray there. And I think that's it for this page. So this went really quick. I say nothing fancy, just kind of quick. I just really kind of wanted to wrap up the scrapbook. I think that's where I'm at right now. So thank you for watching this video, and if you like, please join me for the last part, which is definitely coming up here. The last part will be a little bit long. We're going to deal with one picture, and then we got to do the back cover. So I think I'm just going to do that all as one video. So we're going to do one picture, one more memorial page for writings, and then we're going to do, which will be part of the back cover. So it's all going to be part of one. So thank you, subscribe, like, comment below, and we'll see you on the next video.